How to replace the rear electric motor on the Vsett 10 Plus. First, lift the scooter off the floor. Old engine that needs to be replaced. Error that comes on because there is no engine. Old rim. Packaging of the new medicinal engine. New 1400 watt motor. Unscrew the rear mudguard that is held in place by 4 screws. And then remove the cover of the scooter from these 12 serifs. And then remove the cover of the device from the side, or disconnect the 2 connectors for charged batteries. And then remove the front and back cover from the side. When the plastic parts are removed from the sides, the engine is disconnected from the electronics. And then pull the cables from the motor. When we have removed the engine, we go to prepare the new engine for insertion. First, disassemble the rim in 2 parts to put the tire. This is done with 6 tires. When we installed the tire and inner tire. Now, we put back 600ths in the rim. And then we return the disc that we removed from the old engine. And we put the tire back on the scooter. Now we pass the cable to the motor through the channel. And then we connect the engine sensors with the electronics. We connect by colors. Now, pushing the cables with the screwdriver to fit them. Now connecting the engine. It's the same color to color. We're connecting. And put it back together as you disassembled it. And the post is still a broke engine for me, so I have to wait for another engine to arrive.